Hey guys, it's Sandy. If you're new here, I do crafts. If you're coming back, thanks so much for wanting to hang out with me again today. I'm not usually doing it. I'm not doing my usual Apple Oak Fiberworks kit um videos because this one I did film and it was a really cool video. I even filmed the pHness of these two changing, but unfortunately that footage was on my old phone and it's not carrying over to my new phone and it's just not working. So we get to have this kind of jankness. I don't know. Honestly, I really want to get this one out though because I'm going camping for the week and I want to make socks in this guy. So, if you've not seen the rest of my videos, first off, go watch them. Secondly, this is kind of the vibe. So this is a logwood kit. The packaging with Apple Oak Fiberworks is so nice. These boxes are beautiful. The stickers actually come off the top, so they're super easy to reuse. They come with all the materials you need to dye. You can actually buy the instructions separately, which for rhubarb I think is extra cool because everybody has rhubarb in their garden. But yeah, so that's the vibe of the packaging. Like I said, it's always very beautiful, very plastic free. Yeah, so this is the rhubarb root ones. I'm just trying to see how much light will give you the most. I would say on here, the truest to their colors in real life is right around here, like the middles. So yeah. No, but they're gorgeous. So this is just the rhubarb root. This one, there's iron and soda ash. I honestly forget which is which. I did have a bit of a mishap while I was washing them, and some of this modifier splashed onto here. So it's got a speckled vibe because no mistakes, just design features, right? Yeah, I love all these colors. I think this is one of my favorite turnouts. I think like I would do a sweater quantity in one of these. Not so sure about that because I think the pink is just a bit too close to my skin tone. But yeah, I mean, it's just rhubarb, like what a plant, because you can actually mordant with the leaves. So I've saved my rhubarb leaves and I'm gonna end up doing that. Just to try it. But you can mordant with the leaves, you can obviously eat the stalks and dye with the roots. So it's just such a good plant to have around. I love how all of these turned out. The dye process, look, any Apple Fiberworks kit you get, the instructions are so clear. I'm actually using their sock yarn. I believe it's their Turin base. It's 60% wool, 20% silk, and 20% ramie fiber. So the silk and the ramie add the strength that nylon usually would. So it makes a very strong sock, a very beautiful sock. And yeah, I love these colors. This is honestly probably one of my favorite kits. Usually they only come with one modifier, so this one, and I'll do like one skein, and one half and half. This one I just did one of each, and I love how they turned out. Honestly, I know I'm getting very gushy, but I mean, look at them, they're beautiful. And yeah, I mean, the instructions are clear. The process always goes off without a hitch. I cold mordanted these. I find that the hot mordanting, I guess I just don't know how to control my heat very well yet because it always makes the fiber a bit too abrasive. So that's just something to keep in mind. But yeah, as with any of the Apple Oak Fiberworks, I hope you give this one a try because it is really, really good and I'm impressed with it. So yeah, thanks for hanging out with me again. I'm sorry this isn't my usual format. But hopefully next week things will be back to normal. So yeah, and even more hopefully by the time you're watching this, I hope this has become a pair of socks because it's gonna look so good. Okay, well, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you stick around. We still have like what, 3 or 4 more of the Apple Oak Fiberwork ones to do. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Okay, have a good Friday. Bye.